that?
Me. How are you?
I'm fine. Who are you?
Looking for the ring.
It's not around.
It's not around.
Yes.
So how am I going to give you this stuff now?
Which stuff?
It's money.
I can keep it.
You can keep money.
Yes, I can keep it for you.
At your age.
I'm telling you I can keep it.
An awesome sum of 5,000 naira. Sure you can keep it.
Yes, let me
And it will so in as 4,000 naira.
Yes, it's 5,000. Thank you, I'll give it to you.
Alright, when he comes out, just tell him I came, eh? Give it to him. Oh.
I know what to do. Daniela, please come and wash your hair. For what? Just because of coronavirus.
What is this?
Uncle, this is hand sanitizer.
What do you get money to buy all this?
Yes. Uncle, one uncle came here, he was looking for you. So he gave me 5,000 naira. So I used it to buy all this. So that would be immunized for coronavirus.
Huh? One of them brought 5,000 naira for me.
Yes.
And you use it in this. Are you mad? In my own money.
Uncle, I'm not mad now.
Promise, you have killed me. Promise. Sir, please allow me to kill this.
What is
rat.
it again now?
Let me kill this rat.
What happened now?
Answer.
Promise, what happened?
Uncle, somebody came to the house looking for him. I told him that he's not around. So he dropped 5,000 naira.
My
for
own
me.
5,000.
So he has never come back. So I used the money to go and buy hand sanitizer. So that we'll be immunized from coronavirus.
imagine?
That's why he want to kill me.
Is that the reason why you want to kill her?
Yes, sir. Allow me to kill this.
Not because of that.
Let me kill this
No,
rat.
no, just wait.
Let me kill this rat.
Wait.
This is even my money. I'm sanitizer.